Welcome folks to the world of Alpine Wonderland. I'm sure this video would be very useful for those who are looking for Linux, especially as for college going developers. They really want to do something in Linux or they want to create some scripts for their college projects. And because of burden that Linux installation would be really very tough business to crack. So they never get into that, right? So I'm sure with this video, they are gonna start experimenting their Linux dreams. So guys, let's grab your headgear, tighten your boots, and let's embark on a quick less than 5 minute alpine adventure together, right? So let me go for the installation first, right? So let's go with the VirtualBox. That's the best way because through VirtualBox within Windows itself, so I can have VirtualBox and VirtualBox within that, so I can go with Alpine, right? So click on next with the same location, right? Click on yes again. Okay, just install, right? Will take maybe 1 minute or so, depending on your machine configuration, right? But it's ultimate, like so having like operating system within another, right? So I think that's very safest way to work upon anything, right? So we are about to finish the installation part, right? You can like search over Google regarding Oracle VM and all that. You'll get some much better details. So let's click on start and then finish. Yeah. Now, meanwhile, let's open up Alpine so that you can get the idea from where I can have it. Alpine Linux download. Yep. So this is the one. Yep. And this is the you can say dashboard of your Alpine team. Very different versions and all that, right? So you can go for anything. But yes, especially I went for x86 or so. So yeah, that was a screen of your Oracle. I'm clicking on new. I just copied the path, right? Just putting up the name for your VM. Could be anything, right? Go for the selection of your where you are picking up the ISO file, right? Yes, I'm looking for the same. Yeah, and nothing. Rest is you can skip. First is like you can go with the hardware configuration for your basic memory. It's up to you entirely purely up to you only. Then similar for your CPU configuration, you can make it as change. I just put it as second. Here you can go for the some sort of hard disk requirement if you want to change. The same next and then the finish part, right? So here you can get the details, complete details of your VM, so which you just installed. So whether it's your network, USB, shared folders, audio, storage, display, system, let's move on, start. Yeah. So we are stepping into Alpine Linux. So from Windows itself, we just stepped into that, right? Yeah. So you can count like how much time like we spent upon this. I believe it's hardly less than a minute, right? So we are ready with the Linux. So precisely, I can say that fine. It won't be a kind of as big as other Linux, but fine for basic stuff. Yes, it's quite good one. So ls, I'm clearing the screen. Let's go for the basic stuff like how to create a directory, right? So let's go with the okay dir and the name of the full new. Okay, let's move to this folder cd cd new. Okay, now we are into my directory. So ls nothing is there. So let's open a vi. You all know what is vi. Vi is nothing special, but it's an editor. It's a straight cut editor where we can start writing any sort of scripts, right? Which is very good one. So we go welcome to the world of Alpine, right? So you can write down anything, but yes, quickly let me save WQ and clear. If I'll say ls, yes, my file is there. So to run the script, we know it very well. That is the command is sh. I think that's all. Like this way, I can simply work upon Linux. Exit is we all know it is a simple straightaway command to come out of the environment. And yeah, we can turn off current VM like this itself, right? So this is, I believe, like one of the best way to work upon Linux. So all your Linux commands or your scripting and all that, whenever you're working in a college, right? So if you want to go into that, so I think in that way, this would be one of the quickest way to work upon your Linux and all shell scripting related stuff, right? Anyways, thanks guys. Thanks to all of you. Hope you enjoyed it, right? Thanks. Bye bye.